this is my little diagram here. I call it, this is our role as the temporary frontal lobe. You ever heard that expression? We have to sometimes become the frontal lobe for someone, right? Because if they don't have access to it because of trauma or whatever, neglect, abuse, or they don't have access to it because of some sort of other social, emotional, or cognitive challenge, we become it temporarily until they get those skills intact. So here's what that means. It means that if we have kids who are dysregulated, how many of those are we dealing with? Right, these kids are all dysregulated. They have dysregulation disorders. And those are, definitely those are diagnosed. But when I think about it, I don't think about it as a disorder. I think about it as, if I've never been regulated, then I need someone to regulate me first so I can learn what it is in the first place. I can't self-regulate unless someone regulates me first. So the most powerful things we can do with our younger kids is to not allow things like the cubbies and the coat hooks to become a disaster. So if I see the cubbies and the coat hooks and they all came in, and you know how these kids come in, they take their coats and boots off, what do they do with them? Yeah, they're home. Everything's coming off, and shoes are flying, and it's a mess. I believe it is so important that we don't begin our morning circles, we don't begin our morning classes until we say to kids, let's go out and fix these cubbies. Let's get our boots lined up under our names. Let's get our things in place. Let's zip our coats and zip our backpacks. Because that prepares you. That's called regulation. We're not being neat freaks. That's called regulation. If you put things in like that, they're more able to self-regulate. But if we allow them to coming in from homes where we don't know what's going on, they come in and they come, okay, sit down, let's focus. And they're like, okay, let's go. That's not okay.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.